Good evening everyone, this is by-DEGALA-BALAJI. Welcome back to my channel DB Stocks. Let us discuss what is going to happen in tomorrow's market about the Nifty 50 and also the Sensex. Sensex tomorrow is going to be the weekly expiry. Now let us see this what is going to happen in tomorrow's market. Firstly, let us start with the pre-analysis, that what I have discussed yesterday. If market opens flat or gap down or gap within this range means I have expected that market is going to be bullish momentum. But what happened within this first 15 minutes candle itself, market failed to give the breakout. That means it's not a breakout failure, but the next candle didn't supposed to give the breakout towards upside, but instead of that market gives the breakdown towards the downside. So we have to follow the rules, and I have also predicted that if market gives the breakdown of the breakdown or any candle sustain below this 24,200 means we can expect, we don't need to expect the aggressive buying towards upside, and as a result I have expected that market is going to be volatile within this range. But what happened after reaching this 24,000 round level, the buyers are not strong in the today's market. Well, because of that weak buying momentum, market slow and steadily came downside and market closes at the bottom. It's not a good sign for buying momentum, and also it is not a good sign for also selling momentum. And we don't need to, by seeing this momentum, we don't need to go for aggressive selling towards downside till the breakdown of this range. We don't need to plan, I don't want to plan any aggressive selling towards downside. So what is going to happen in tomorrow's markets? Let us see. If market opens flat or gap up opening after the first 5 minutes candle breakout, after the first 5 minutes candle breakout or first 15 minutes candle breakout, I can wait till the target, that means I can wait till the breakout of this 24,000 round level. If market sustain above this 24,000 round level only, I can plan for the buying in this Nifty 50, or otherwise till then I don't want to go for any buying towards upside. And after this 24,100, after the 24,100 I can plan aggressive buying positionally. I can plan for the aggressive buying towards upside. In between this, if market opens flat or gap up opening, if market gives slow and steadily market moves towards upside means after reaching this 24,000 level, then only we have to, after reaching this 24,000 round level, if market given the breakout of this level only, I will see the buying opportunity in the market, and after the breakout of this 24,100 I will plan for aggressive buying. Not aggressive buying, I can plan for buying very confidently. And after reaching this, how the market is reacting is important. As tomorrow's market I am expecting to be a volatile market. After reaching this 24,000 round level, if any shooting star appear in the market or any bearish candlestick patterns appears in the market, for that candlestick patterns, if 5 EMA is supported to that candlestick pattern means we can expect the volatile momentum towards upside. And also within this candle itself, first candle itself, market first 15 minutes candle itself forms like a volatile spinning top means we can expect the market will be closed within this range. So as a result, what is the point for the tomorrow's market is, if market sustain above this 24,000 round level only, I can plan for the buying opportunity, I can plan for the buying towards upside. And after that breakout of this 24,100, I can plan confidently towards upside. For selling, what is my plan for the selling is, if market opens flat or gap down opening means after the gap down opening, first 5 minutes candle given the breakdown towards downside means only after the breakdown of this level only I will plan for the aggressive selling towards downside. And I'm not expecting the aggressive selling towards downside. Why? Because after the momentum, after some trending momentum, I'm expecting the volatile momentum for tomorrow's market. Based on this tomorrow's market, I can plan for the next move. How I will plan for the next move means, suppose today is given the trending move towards downside, and after that if market open flat or gap up opening, after that if market became volatile momentum, after becoming the volatile momentum, based on the closing of this tomorrow's market, I can plan for the next day. Why? Because if market opens flat or flat or gap up opening or gap down opening. After that, if market becomes volatile for tomorrow, if it closes at the top, means it's a good sign for the buying momentum. As based on the price action, if it gives the breakout towards upside, means we can plan for the aggressive buying confidently after the breakout of this 24,100. This is for the buying opportunity. Or if market closes at the bottom, means after that, if it gives the, as per the price action, if market closes at the bottom, means after the breakdown towards downside, means we can plan for the aggressive selling to the breakout of this 23,750 or 700 range. We can plan for the aggressive selling. This is what the plan for the next coming days based on this tomorrow's closing and also the price action. Based on the price action and also the closing of tomorrow's market, we can plan for the next move. The same thing is going to be in Sensex also, as tomorrow is Sensex expiry. I am planning for the Sensex expiry as a volatile day. As I have said previously in the Nifty 50, if market opens flat or gap up opening, means I am expecting that 74,500 round level will be the next resistance. Between this resistance, if market becomes volatile, means we can expect the next further move based on the closing of tomorrow's market. If market opens flat or gap up opening, after that, if market become volatile, means if it closes at the top, means on coming week and on Friday or coming week, we can plan for the aggressive buying. We can plan for the buying towards upside. Or if market closes at the bottom, means it's a good sign for the selling, and after the breakdown of this 76,500, we can plan aggressive selling towards downside. The same thing I have discussed in the Nifty 50 itself. The same thing I am going to see in the Sensex expiry also. I am expecting that after the trending momentum, if it becomes a volatile momentum, I am expecting that market will be closed within this range. Or if it is opened gap down opening, directly gap down opening, after that if it gives the breakdown towards downside, means I don't plan much aggressive selling after the breakdown of this range of the 76,500. After the breakdown of this 76,500, I will wait for the retest of this level. Again, in the retest itself, I will plan for the selling. I will see the selling opportunity, and after the breakout of this range, you can go for aggressive selling towards downside. And this is what the plan for tomorrow in the Sensex expiry. And I am not planning aggressive buying towards upside. After the breakout of this 74,500 also, I will wait. After the breakout of the 74,000 also, I will wait, and after the retest of this level, after the breakout of this 77,700, 800 level, you can plan aggressively towards upside. Not aggressively, it's confidently, not aggressively. Aggressive buying means, it doesn't mean this. After the breakout of this range, we can plan aggressively towards upside with the target of this next week, 79,000 round level will be the next target we can expect. This is what the plan for the tomorrow's Sensex expiry. Thank you, and this is my view.